folks. There's stumpylogging.co. Head logging man there, and trusty saw. Going! Here it goes! Whoa! What about that then? What about that then, folks? Head logger has just gone to get something. There you go. Let's just go over and have a look. That's head logger of stumpylogging.co.
36 incher. Nice saw, Rob. Oh, fucking hell.
Not very big, folks, but it is.
What do you call the gob?
There we go.
Tidying it up. I'm doing that yet.